Today I'm making a main course with a really delicious side dish with you. I'm talking about smooth Savoy cabbage and sausages. The sausages give the cabbage an exceptional flavor, and at the same time, the cabbage helps to cut and lighten the fat from the sausages. Make this recipe with me because these two ingredients balance each other perfectly, and the result is an exceptional dish despite its simplicity. Let's make this delicious dish together. Let's get started. So first of all, I remove a few of the more damaged outer leaves. Then I remove the stem part. I cut it in half. I remove the core from the center. By the way, let me remind you that my two cookbooks are only available on Amazon. Just search for Carlo Gaiano and you'll get them in at most 2 days. She also removes some of the tougher parts, like this one here, which is nice and thick. And then after rinsing the leaves well, I cut them into strips. Cut some leaves. I put a bit of extra virgin olive oil in a pan. Then I add the sausages and brown them well on all sides for 6-7 minutes over high heat. Perfect. Now I add a bit of chopped garlic and onion. Obviously I didn't add them before, otherwise they would have burned. Then I add the chili pepper. Add the cabbage. I add a bit of salt. Let it heat up a little. Then deglaze with white wine. I also add a little bit of white wine vinegar. I keep the heat high and let it evaporate for a few minutes. Okay, now I add a couple of ladles of boiling vegetable broth. I lower the heat, cover with a lid and let it cook for 35-40 minutes, stirring occasionally. And here we are. Look at this. What a sight. Now let's plate the sausage. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I'm running to make myself a sandwich. I'll even put a little bit of mustard on it, I'm telling you. It's amazing. Try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye. And as usual, before I go, I want to wish you a good meal.